it's Megan here from MELC Keene. I hope everybody is still doing awesome and safe and happy. This week's science experiment is called Storm in a Glass. So we are going to be using a couple different types of materials and making a storm in a glass. So let's get started. Alright, for the first material you're going to need is exactly that, a glass. Some type of glass, jar, something you can see through. Next, you're going to need another smaller bowl, a spoon, some shaving cream, and food coloring. Because we're going to make it rain, I'm going to use blue to make it look like water. Remember our science words that we've been using the last couple weeks, okay? So first, gather your materials. Next, you're going to make a prediction, your hypothesis as to what's going to happen. So we're going to make a storm in a glass. We're going to be using shaving cream, this glass with water. We're going to be putting the shaving cream on top of the layer of water, and with another water and dyed mixture, we're going to pour it on top, and it's going to make it look like it's going to rain. So my prediction is that hopefully it's going to work and it's going to do what it says it's going to do. Okay, then our steps are what we're doing right now. Remember, once we get to the observation part, then you really get to see what's happening. So again, start off with water, about halfway full in your glass. All right, I now filled about 2/3 of the glass with shaving cream. So we have the water and the shaving cream. What I did though, as I was spraying in the shaving cream, I used my spoon to help flatten it out. It's going to mimic, it's going to pretend it's going to be a cloud. Then you're going to take the water in your bowl that you have and start with about 5 and work your way up drops of food coloring. Remember, I wanted to use blue because I want to make it look like it's going to rain. Now I'm going to take a spoonful at a time of our water mixture and pour it in the glass with the shaving cream. Oh, and look, it's already starting to happen. So let's make some observations here before I keep going. First, as you can see, cloud is still nice and white, but the top has the blue dye. And as you can already start to see, look, the blue is coming down into the regular water. I'm going to gently lift so you can see a little bit more. Make those observations. Let's keep going. Let's keep it making it rain. Going to do another spoonful. So remember, look, as you can see, the cloud is holding all of our blue mixture. And now some of it is really starting to come down. I'm going to do one more here. This is looking pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys get to do this at home. One more. Check that out! That's awesome! Alright, so I did do a couple more spoonfuls of our mixture, as you can see. So now we can really see, look, there's some blue there, and all this blue on top, okay? And look at, this is the rainstorm. This is as if we were down here. So how does this work, you're probably thinking? So like regularly with our weather, when it rains, clouds in the sky hold on to water, right? They can hold millions and millions and millions of gallons of water. So our cloud is the shaving cream. The shaving cream layer can also hold on to the water, as we saw. Ours actually didn't hold on to too much, but that's okay. But as it can't hold on to it for so long, that's when all the colored dye started coming down, showing it as rain. Pretty cool, huh? So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Now next time it rains, you'll know what's happening. Once the clouds can't hold on to that moisture anymore, then it starts to rain, or in the wintertime, it snows. So stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time.